Multi-story homes need layered outdoor camera placement to cover multiple approach vectors and reduce blind spots. Start by dividing coverage levels into ground and upper eave zones and plan each zone like a separate project. For ground level, place cameras at corner angles around the property to cover driveways and entry paths. Mount them 6 to 8 feet high to avoid tampering while keeping faces in frame. For upper eaves and balconies, mount cameras under the eaves angled down about 20 to 30 degrees so you get clear views of windows and balcony doors without excessive sky glare. Use pan-tilt-zoom overhead units to monitor large yards and to track movement between the ground and upper levels, and program patrol patterns that include all entry corridors. When wiring, plan routing for longer runs by mapping conduit paths from the roofline back to the entry point for the recorder, or switch and label each cable at both ends to simplify troubleshooting later. If Power over Ethernet is your method, calculate cable length limits and place passive extenders or active extenders every 100 meters in the design where needed, or run low voltage power separately to avoid signal loss. 3 common mistakes are overlapping fields that waste cameras and leave no true redundancy, improper tilt that faces too much sky or ground losing subject detail, and underestimating cable length and power needs, which causes intermittent failures. Fix overlap by sketching sightlines on a simple plan and adjusting positions so each camera has a distinct purpose while leaving small, intentional overlaps for handoff, not full duplication. Correct tilt errors by setting cameras while someone walks the path at the expected subject height, then adjust until faces are clear and not silhouetted. Avoid cabling problems by measuring actual conduit and conduit bends, adding 20% extra length, and choosing powered extenders or local power injectors when runs exceed standard limits. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on camera and wiring installations and offers tools for posting project details to attract bids. We also give contractors a place to find work and build a presence, plus a community discussion area where we can share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot multi-story camera placement together.